It is given that a and b are two real numbers such that a plus b is equal to 1 and a square plus b square is given as 2. The value of a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6. So it's an easy question using algebraic identities, right? So a plus b is given as 1. Now a square plus b square is given as 2. If I square this equation, I get a square plus b square plus 2 times ab is equal to 1. Also, it is given that a square plus b square is 2. So if I replace this a square plus b square by 2, I get the value of ab as 2 goes to other side, minus 1 divided by 2. So minus 1 by 2. AB is 1 by 2. Now, a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6. I get this expression when I cube this equation, right? So cubing both the sides, I get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, which is a square into b square, a plus b, a square plus b square. And I get the cube of 2 as 8, right? So the value of a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6 is equal to 8 minus 3 into a square into b square. And I get the value of a b whole square by squaring this term. So a square b square is equal to 1 by 4, correct? So also a square plus b square is 2, right? And this term is 1 by 4 into 3. So I get the value of this expression as 2 gets cancelled, minus 3 by 2. So 8 minus 3 by 2 is the value of a raised to the power 6 plus b raised to the power 6. So I get the answer as this is 16 minus 3, 13 by 2. So correct answer is option A.